In this video, let us learn how to divide the number 133 by 7 using the long division method. Now see that this one is less than 7, that is why we will consider the number 13. From the multiplication table of 7, we know that 7 times 1 is 7. Subtract, we get 6. Now this 6 is also less than 7. That is why we will bring down this number 3 here. And again we know that 7 times 9 is equal to 63. Subtract, we get a 0. As we have got the number 0 and we have no number to bring down here, so we will stop. Therefore, 133 divided by 7 is equal to 19, and this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.